12 years after a powerful earthquake severely damaged the Gyeonak Mani stone mound in Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture of Yushu in northwest China's Qinghai province, the historic site has got repaired and mended well. Mani stones are stone plates and rocks inscribed with Lamist mantra prayers or other propitious symbols of Tibetan Buddhism. They are usually placed along roadsides and rivers, or piled up to form mounds or long walls. The Gyeonak Mani stone mound was the world's largest Mani stone mound before a 7.1 magnitude earthquake on April 14, 2010 reduced the 300-year-old sacred Tibetan mound to a chaotic tangle of rubble and colored sutra streamers. After the earthquake, the Chinese government has invested more than 50 million yuan in the restoration project for the mound. The current Gyeonak Mani stone mound is larger than that of 12 years ago. It has nearly 4 billion Mani stones, and is growing as Tibetan pilgrims put more stones on it.
近年来呢，国家文物局持续加大对这个现在讲到玛尼石金城的这个防火、防雷，还有日常维护的这个投入。这样做的目的呢，就是为了更好的传承和弘扬好这个民族文化。